Welcome to Dolphin Way of Hickory Pointe, where you can unwind and relax with breathtaking sunset views of the Gulf of Mexico. This peaceful condominium community is located on the quiet, secluded peninsula of Little Hickory Island at the north end of Bonita Beach. Enjoy the best that Southwest Florida beach style has to offer at Dolphin Way. Utility improvements include electric shutters, a tankless water heater, and a convenient all-in-one washer and dryer in the unit. There's a lot of luxury packed into this one bedroom, one bathroom, first floor unit, and the open concept makes it feel bigger than 700 square feet. Everything has been fully remodeled to modern standards, and you'll enjoy custom upgrades that include a gourmet kitchen with custom cabinetry, granite counters, and stainless steel appliances. Relax on the lanai and watch the waves ripple over 7 miles of white, sandy beach. See dolphins play and the pelicans dive for their dinner, or beachcombers looking for that perfect shell. You can also view the activities at the pool from the lanai.